in a peaceful kingdom. And this king had three very important questions. Ang una, sabi niya, who is the most important person in the world? Sino ang pinakamahalagang tao sa mundo? Pangalawa, what is the most important thing that a person can do? Pangatlo, when is the most important time to do it? The king put these questions before his court and ministers, but no one could give him an answer. Kaya ang ginawa mo ng hari ay isang gabi, isang araw, he pretended to be a commoner and embarked on a journey. Lumapit po siya hanggang nakarating po siya sa isang malayong lugar, remote area of his kingdom. But the night had fallen, so he thought he had to stop and retire before he could continue on his journey. May nakita po siya isang bahay kubo kung saan may nakatira na isang old man. So he went to the hut, asked the old man if he could retire for the night in his place. Sabi ng old man, come in. There is an empty room in the second floor of my small house, and you can retire for the evening. In the middle of the night, the king heard some noise, and he peeked, sinilip niya sa bintana, and he saw a blooded man talking to the old man, asking the old man if he can hide in his house. Sabi ng old man, come in. Come in. And then the blooded man, duguan ng ako, ay sabi, some bandits, robbers, some thugs are running after me. Sabi ng old man, tuloy at magtago ka dito sa ating bahay. The king, for the second floor, saw and heard everything. After a couple of minutes, sumunod na nga mo yung mga bandits and interrogated the old man. If he saw a blooded man pass his way, I mean the way where his house was located. Sabi ng old man, no. So after a while, the bandits left, and the blooded man spoke to the old man, said thank you, and also left. The following morning, the king, over breakfast, which the old man prepared, asked the old man, bakit pinatuloy mo yung tao yun? You put your life in danger. You could have been hurt. And right there, sabi ng hari, the most important thing that you can do in the world, the most important person in the world is a person in front of you. And the most important thing you can do to that person is to help him. And the most important moment, the right time to help, is now. I have forgotten how I met Dr. Demeria. I have forgotten exactly how I got involved in EPCOM. But I remember the kindness of the lady. I remember how I felt. I remember her generosity of spirit. So dito sa kwentong ito po, ang old man is Dr. Demeria and EPCOM. The king are all of us. Are all of us. Blooded man are the leukemia patients that EPCOM services and their families. Who are the bandits? Everybody tonight who wouldn't be named. Okay. That's a joke. But that is the story. Sometimes you don't remember exactly how you met people, but you will not forget the way they made you feel. So thank you, Dr. Arlene. Thank you, EPCOM. I am where I am today, and I stand in front of all of you proud to be your host tonight. Maraming salamat.